Hey friends, let's take a look at this Arrow ratcheting screwdriver set. I am a sucker for a ratcheting screwdriver. I don't know if it's because I'm lazy or I don't know. I love a ratcheting screwdriver. This is a multi-screwdriver set, so a lot of different bits that you can put in it. Let's put it on the desk, take a look at it, and see how it does. All right, what do we got inside here? So we've got the driver itself. This is a rubberized handle, hard plastic in the middle. The end, it looks like, opens up. Does it open up? Seems like it does. Yes, it does. Opens up, and there's a bunch of bits in there. Okay. And then this is a removable bit, obviously. But I like these ratcheting drivers. The reason is, if you're working above your head doing something, like you're putting in a light fixture or something, being able to keep pressure on the workpiece while not releasing with this hand is really nice. So let's say you have to have a hand up here holding onto something, screwdriver's in it, we can reset where we're at without releasing our grip. So it gives you a chance to use one hand to do the screw driving while the other hand holds the workpiece, and you can keep pressure on it with this hand. So constant pressure. So that's pretty nice. Reversing mechanism is right here. So you can center it to not reverse. Now if we're gripping down on it, there is an arrow here showing which way you're going. So can we flip it with the thumb? No, which seems like an impediment, but I actually prefer this because some of these, if you're gripping on them and you can, I guess I kind of can, but if you're gripping on them and they turn really easy, you'll accidentally bump them and reset your mechanism. We don't want that. So we're loosening on that side and tightening on that side. So, yeah, not too bad. And they give us just a whole stinking bunch of bits here. What do we got? On a little carabiner. And you can take these bits and replace them with whatever you want, but this is a bunch of Torx head and square bits. So that's good for doing like electrical stuff, working on bicycles and motorcycles. I like that this has a little carabiner. Clip that on your pants. So yeah, this gives you actually a whole lot of options here for driving screws. Bunch of Phillips head, a couple flat heads. Yeah, I like that carabiner idea, but yeah, overall, nice to be able to like mix and match whatever kind of bits you want to use in here. So we could just throw all the Torx head bits in there if we want. And then we got just a nice tidy package. So you only need to bring one screwdriver in to do a job that you need to do. So now where I think this thing would really be useful is like this. We throw it in the quad, so when we're out braffing around, if we need a screwdriver for something, which we often do, you can have your tidy little package here. Now this is big enough that you can actually fit other stuff in it. So I like having just a nice enclosed package, whoops, with the screwdriver and every bit you could ever use. So if you need it out on the trail, you've got it. So nice little kit.